Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Damil and today we are the students of Doon International School from grade 8 are presenting a presentation on revolt of 1857, a time when all the Indians came out of their houses for fought against Britishers. It was a year in which is known as the first fight for independence.
The expansionist policies of the British developed Indian people hatred towards them and creating panic among the peoples. The Indian rulers of annexed states were forced to disband their army. The soldiers lost their livelihood and could not get jobs anywhere else.
I am Usman from grade 8 and today I am showing my views on economic causes of revolt of 1857. The British exploited India's economic resources and wealth to serve British trade and industry, and they converted India into a purely agricultural country and used it as a source of raw material for its industries. Made goods flooded India and left many artisans jobless, and all the Indians were denied for all high civil and military positions which were reserved for British only. This created frustration among the educated Indians. Mines, exploitation of India's natural resources made Indians angry and brought them together against the British, which resulted in the decline of East India Company, and India was brought directly under the British crown.
The British viewed Indians as racially inferior and culturally backward. They were rude and arrogant. For example, Indians were not allowed to travel in first-class compartments. Educated Indians were not given preference and they were not allowed for promotion in civil and military jobs. Indian sepoys were not given extra allowance for fighting far alone.
The Christian missionaries began to convert many Hindus and Muslims into Christianity. Many Indians felt that their religion was in danger. In 1850, they passed a law that says if an Indian had converted into Christianity, they would inherit their property of their ancestors. Many Indians begin to believe that British were destroying their religion, their social custom, and their traditional way of life. A new law was passed that recruits to travel overseas if required. A new law was passed that recruits to travel overseas if required. Caused resentment in Hindus boys who believe that this is against their religion.
Immediate cause was the introduction of the new Enfield rifle. The cartridge used in it were greased with the fat of pigs and cows, which hurts the sentiments of Hindus and Muslims.
As we know that Delhi is the capital of our country, India. Delhi Bahadur Shah served as a freedom fighter of our nation. Last but not least, Bakrol Mangal Pandey was play a role of greatest story of freedom.
British government took full control of India. They become more careful and about India's customs and religion. This movement later freedom movements.
As we have seen in this chapter so far, we have studied that the revolt was started in 1857 due to mainly religious causes. This is also called the First War of Independence, and this war was ended with the East India Company collapsing. I have also studied that over many freedom fighters such as Jhansi Ki Rani and much more, such as Mangal Pandey, they contributed to it by sacrificing their lives for us. Thank you and have a nice day.